What if I told you the microwave that's supposed to make your life easier could actually start a fire in your kitchen? That's just not a possibility. It's a reality for thousands of Whirlpool microwave owners affected by a major recall. If you own a Whirlpool Microwave Hood Combination, this video could save you from a serious safety hazard and even get you a free replacement. If this sounds helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and share for more content on spotting potential issues before they become costly surprises. Let's dive in and let's make sure that you're prepared for your next free replacement. If you're a homeowner or preparing to sell your home, this information is what you need to know. In August 2016, Whirlpool issued a recall for over 15,000 microwave hood combination units. These units were sold in big box brand stores like Best Buy, Lowe's, and Sears and were installed in countless homes. These microwaves were sold between 2014 and 2016, and they were recalled because of a dangerous defect that could lead to internal fires. So the issue was this: a manufacturing defect caused an internal arcing during the use of the microwave, which led to an ignite plastic component inside the microwave. Reports included cabinet damage, smoke, and even small fires. If this sounds alarming, it's because it is. But identifying and resolving the problem is much easier than you may think. So imagine this: you're reheating leftovers that you've been patiently waiting for all day, and suddenly smoke starts pouring out of the microwave, and not because of the food, but because the internal components are literally catching on fire. That's what happened to several people who reported these incidents. And danger doesn't stop at the microwave itself. These fires can spread throughout the kitchen cabinets and beyond. But the good news is that Whirlpool is offering free replacements if you have one of these units inside your home. Let's talk about how to find out if your microwave is affected and what steps to take next. The first and most important step is figuring out if your microwave is a part of this recall. Here's how you do it. Locate the model and serial numbers. Open the microwave door and look for a label around the frame or inside the opening. You'll find both the model and the serial numbers here. Check the model number. The affected model numbers will be down below in the video description. Make sure your model number matches one of these. Next, verify the serial number range. Affected units have serial numbers ranging from TR335 to TR348. If your serial number falls in this range, your microwave is part of the recall. Cross-check online. Visit the Consumer Product Safety Commission website or Whirlpool recall page to confirm. They have tools where you can input your model and serial number to double check. Now, if you've identified that your microwave is part of this recall, here's what you need to do next. Stop using the microwave immediately. Unplug the unit and avoid using it altogether until the issue is resolved. Safety first always matters. Contact Whirlpool for a free replacement. Call Whirlpool's recall hotline or visit their website. They'll guide you through the process of verifying your unit and scheduling a free replacement. Prepare for the replacement. Make sure the area around your microwave is accessible for a technician to replace it. The process is straightforward and handled by professionals. What do you do if you're selling a home? For home sellers, addressing this issue before listing your property is a no-brainer. Imagine a potential buyer's inspector finding this defect. It could delay the sale or even scare off the buyer entirely. Taking care of it up front not only eliminates safety risk, but it also shows that you're proactive about maintaining your home. Appliance recalls might sound like a hassle, but they're actually an opportunity to make your home safer at no cost to you. If you suspect your microwave is affected, don't wait. Take action today. Whether you're a homeowner or a seller, resolving this issue is one less thing to worry about and could save you from a serious problem down the road. If this video helps you, hit that like button. Share with others who need to know. And don't forget to subscribe for more homeownership tips. I'm Inspector Q with Pro Inspect Solutions, and I'll see you on the next time. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep your home running smoothly. Ready to find your pre-inspected dream home with confidence? Visit us at proinspectsolutions.com/dreamhome to explore homes that are fully inspected and potentially move-in ready. Plus, sellers can attract serious buyers faster with a pre-inspected property, and buyers gain confidence knowing they're making a solid investment. And this is a win-win for anyone looking to make buying or selling process smoother and stress-free. Click the link below to sign up and get alerts.